How to make sneakers stick to the floor. I had some gym shoes that wouldn't stick. They were sliding all over the gym. So I had an easy solution. I got me some liquid Comet and I had an old toothbrush and I just used a sink. That's all I did. You're going to see some videos with people making all kinds of solutions and chemicals, but I didn't do that because I didn't have the time. I just figured liquid Comet was really strong and good at getting out dirt. So I just grabbed the liquid Comet, shook it up really well, and took the sneakers and I rinsed off the pre-existing dirt and dust because that's the culprit, the dirt and the dust that accumulates on the sneakers. So I just rinsed that off really well. And then I just applied the Comet directly to the bottom of the sneakers. You want to use a good amount. You don't have to cake the whole bottom, but just make a couple of swirls with it. And then I got my toothbrush and then I just scrub. You're going to scrub. You can do a circular motion. You want to make sure that you get into the grooves, get into the crevices, and you want to do the entire bottom of the sneaker. And you also want to do the sides of the sole as well. So scrub that real good. And then I just simply rinsed it off and I towel dried it and let it sit, let it air dry. And after that, now look at that. That's the before photo. It was really dusty, really grimy. And look at after. You can see the difference. And I'm telling you, once you do this, those sneakers will have no trouble sticking to the gym floor. So that's all I did. The before and after says it all, but definitely when you get to the gym, you'll notice a difference. The sneakers will be grabbing the floor with no problem. So again, nothing fancy. You don't have to buy anything fancy. Good old liquid Comet, same thing you use in the bathroom. The toothbrush and a sink. That's all you need. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.